How to fix missing chat history sync now on Messenger. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. First thing first, you have to head over to your application Messenger. Make sure you are logged in into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, now what you need to do is simply click on menu at the bottom right corner. Once you're inside menu, head over to settings. Inside settings, you simply have to move into privacy and safety. And in the section of security, you can see the option end-to-end encrypted chats. You simply need to move into it. And then at the very top, click on message storage. You can see more options. Tap on more options. Now it will land you on the page where you can enable auto sync. If this option is toggled off, then all you gotta do is toggle on this icon. Once the auto sync has been enabled, all of the chat history will be synced on your Messenger, and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.